Hello everyone, welcome to Math and Science Clinic. Today we will discuss about what is magnet and what are the different properties of magnet. So let's begin. So magnet is any substance that is attracted by other magnetic material and the other magnet also. So the picture shown here is example of magnet that is made up of magnet. So you can do different shape with this magnet, this kind of substance. So magnet has two poles, that is the north pole and the south pole. So magnet has the maximum magnetic power at the pole, that is the north and south pole. So it has the minimum magnetic power at the center and its magnetic power increases towards the pole. As it goes from the center towards the pole, its magnetic power increases. So what are the different types of magnet? So there are two types of magnet, that is natural magnet. The magnet that is made of found in the nature are called a natural magnet. So the natural magnet example is magnetite, that is the rock magnet found from the nature. So as these are irregular in shape, the natural magnet are irregular in shape, they have no practical application because it is very hard to make it into a regular shape. So the second one is the artificial magnet. The artificial magnet is the magnet that is made by human by using certain magnetic material. So these are the two shape of the artificial magnet, that is the horseshoe magnet and the bar magnet, and there are different shape of artificial magnet are there. So the magnet we use for the daily purposes, for the different purposes, are the artificial magnet only, because they are very flexible and can be used for the different purposes. So other artificial magnetic material magnet with the different shape are the circular magnet, cylindrical magnet, this is the button magnet, square magnet and Christian magnet. So what is magnetic material? Any material that is attracted by magnet are called magnetic material, such as the iron nails, the nickel and cobalt. These are the magnetic material. So there are other magnetic material are also there. So keep in mind that all the metal are not magnetic material. Certain metal are magnetic material which are attracted by magnet. So what are the non-magnetic material? The material which are not attracted by magnet are called non-magnetic material, such as plastic, leather, cloth and other material which are not attracted by magnet. What are the different properties of magnet? So the flow of magnetic current is from the north pole to the south pole. That is, the direction of flow of magnet is from the north pole to the south pole. So as we know, magnet has two poles, that is the north pole and the south pole. Okay. So the region around which the magnet has its magnetic effect is called magnetic field. Suppose this is a magnet and the region, this is the magnetic region, that is, if certain magnetic material or other magnet is placed inside this region, the magnet will attract this material because it has the magnetic power around this place. So these are called magnetic field. So second one is the unlike pole attract each other. Unlike means opposite pole attract each other. That is, when the north pole of a magnet is placed beside the south pole of another magnet, they attract each other because they are unlike pole, that is the opposite pole. And when the unlike pole are placed near each other, they repel each other. That is, when the north pole of the magnet is placed beside the north pole of another magnet, they repel each other. So the pole of the magnet are always placed in pair. That is, if we break a magnet into two pieces, then each piece has two poles. That is, one is the south and the other is north pole. If we subdivide it into another two magnet, these two magnet also has two poles each. That is, one is south and other is north. Okay. So when the magnet are suspended freely, they are always directed towards the north and south pole. That is, one pole of the magnet is directed towards the north pole, that is the north side, and the other one is towards the south pole. This is how magnetic compass is made. That is, people use magnetic compass mostly by the sea sailor to know the directions. So it has the needles. The needles is always directed towards the north and south direction. So you can know about the other direction by using the needles. So we can lose the magnetism of the magnet by the following way. If we heat a magnet to a certain temperature, it will lose its magnetic power. If we hammer a magnet, it can also lose its magnetic properties. If we also drop a magnet from a certain height, it can also lose its magnetic properties. So what are the different uses or application of magnet? So magnet has many applications. So here are some example of application of magnet. So magnet is used to know the direction. So the magnet has the magnetic needles or magnetic compass has two needles. One needle is always directed towards the north and the other is always directed towards the south. This is how we can know about the different directions. So the back side of ATM card has a black color strip, that is the magnetic strip. It is made with the help of magnet. It is used to store the customer information. So the fan has also a magnetic. Certain electrical device such as fan has magnet inside it. The speaker has also magnet in it. The computer has also magnet in it. Earth is act as a large magnet. That is, the north side is act as a north pole and the south side is act as south pole. And it has maximum gravitational power at the pole, north and south pole, and minimum at the center, just like the bare magnet. So we can use magnet to separate the magnetic material. If any magnetic material such as the iron is get mixed with the other substance, we can separate it with the help of the magnet. If we place a magnet inside that place, then the iron filings is attracted toward the magnet and get separated. So these are the different types of magnet with their properties and their practical application. So thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends so that they will also get benefited, and subscribe. Keep learning and stay blessed.